Today I'm going to do a product review and demonstration of how to use Rustoleum Ultra Cover Clear Matte Finish to seal chalk paint. I'm trying this as an alternative to Minwax polyurethane because this costs $4.50 a can and the Minwax costs $8 a can. So the Rustoleum spray is almost half of the Minwax, and the Rustoleum says it is non-yellowing. Sure, you read the manufacturer's directions and shake it up well. If you want to distress your furniture, you must do that before you put the sealer on. It does not distress well with the sealer. I spray about 8 inches from the surface, and I always fan in at the start of the spray and fan back out at the end of the spray. I release the trigger at the end of the spray and then press the trigger as I'm starting the next spray as I fan it in. I also spray in the direction of the grain of the wood as much as possible. The reason to fan your spray in and out is to keep from having heavy pools of spray on your project. You want to try to cover each area in just one pass. You do not want to go over it again and again. You will not get a good result. You need to do several light coats instead of one heavy coat. If you have an area that has come out too light, don't go back over it. Just wait until this dries when you come back for the next coat. As you can see, I'm spraying with the curve in this chair, and then when I get to a place that is a bigger surface, I will spray in one direction only. When I get to a place like the toppers on these chairs, I have to spray left to right or right to left, and then I come back and do the up and down pass. You just have to use your own judgment as to what is going to get the spray into the smaller cracks. And if you just keep in mind you never want to spray anything heavy, then you will be fine. This is a very fast and cost-efficient way to seal paint or chalk paint. This is a perfect example of what I mean about spraying left to right and then up and down. I've got places on these legs that some need to be painted side to side and some need to go up and down. So I just do the side to side pieces first and then go up and down and try to stay as light on the up and down as possible. If by chance you get a drip in your spray, wait until it dries and then gently sand it and repaint it. Normally, furniture needs 3 light coats of this spray to seal it. You're going to do coats 2 and 3 exactly the way we did the first coat, and look at your can for manufacturer's directions on how long to wait between coats. This is what it looks like with 3 light coats of the Rustoleum. I used a black chair because black paint will show the imperfections in a sealer more than a light color will. The Rustoleum clear spray is definitely on my list of good chalk paint hacks. It has the nice satin finish that I like, and it is not too shiny at all. It really makes this chalk paint look good. I can still see the softness of the chalk paint, and it is not that far from looking like it is actually a wax finish. I painted 4 of these chairs with less than 1 can of the spray, so it is very, very cost efficient at $4.50 a can. I got my spray at Home Depot, so the price could vary at another outlet. I would put this near the top of the list for a chalk paint hack. They have a great spray nozzle on their products. It has a fast drying time, it is UV resistant, and it is not supposed to yellow, so you can expect to have a nice clear finish on your project for years to come. With that, Rustoleum Painter's Touch is in my top 5 chalk paint sealing hacks. That's it for today. I hope you liked today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and check back often. I put up new videos all the time. If there's a video you would like me to make, send me a message or leave it in the comment section and maybe I will do it. Thank you for watching.